Muffins. Show me how you hit the birdie. Show me how you get that birdie. No? Oh. You like the red bird, huh? That was Dash's favorite too. Sure. Are you gonna get him? Get that red bird. You're just giving that birdie what for? Yes, you are. You can do it. Get him. Yay! Sure. Today is April 24th? Maybe the 25th? Yeah, that's the 24th. Is that somebody's birthday? Okay, say bye-bye. April 24th, 2008. Mama loves you. Oh, get that bird. Good job.